So, dapat babalik na ako sa pag-jogging today. Kaso, ang ulan ay merong ibang plano. I guess that's fine. Siguro hindi meant. Medyo nakaka-bother lang na umuulan, no? Kahit parang summer pa dapat ngayon. Tapos meron ding scheduled na ongoing pagkawala ng kuryente. Pero ang real reason kung bakit ako nandito ngayon sa shorts is lately I have been feeling na I'm not winning in life. Yung feeling ba na lahat na ginawa mo? Yung feeling din na nakakatamad? Yung feeling na lagi mo rin kinoconvince yung sarili mo na it's okay, you're just planting the seeds and eventually you will harvest them. And sa totoo lang, meron talagang mga times na it will get into you. Dahil tao lang tayo, nakakapagod naman talaga. And hindi ko naman sinasabi na maging positive tayo all of the time. And it's okay na sometimes we sulk into it. Or babara natin. Kasi minsan yun din yung tumutulong sa atin na maisip kung ano ba ang dapat nating gawin. Kung nararamdaman mo ang nararamdaman ko, I just would like to let you know that you are not alone. And we both are in this together. So sis, kuya, laban lang. Kapit lang and know that there would always be better days ahead. Mahirap ang paniwalaan pero we'll also get the success that we've been praying and working hard for. Ayun lang sis and kuya. Chika tayo real soon. If umabot ka sa part na to, mag-comment ka naman ng kahit ano para naman malaman ko kung may nanonood ba sa akin dito. O siya, see you soon.